Start the exercise.
Up and down planks. The up and down plank strengthens and tones your core, glutes, arms, wrists, and shoulders. This exercise helps to improve your posture, tightens the midsection, and boosts weight loss. Start with 3 sets of 20 seconds for each one, then bump your way up to 1 to 2 minutes each over time.
Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Side planks. The side plank is a great exercise for strengthening the oblique abdominal muscles. The primary muscles used are the obliques, along with the gluteus medius and gluteus maximus to stabilize the hips. Your shoulder stabilizers keep you aligned as well. This exercise doesn't put pressure on your lower back or neck as many core exercises do. It is a balancing exercise and you will be building your balance and coordination. This exercise can help you be able to sustain good posture and ease of movement by building a strong core and better balance.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Plank bicep taps. This exercise works the rectus abdominis, muscles making up the six-pack, as well as the serratus anterior, the region around your rib cage, the trapezius, a major muscle in your upper back and neck, the triceps, the gluteus medius, a hip abductor muscle on the outer side of the pelvis, the obliques, muscles on both sides of your core, and the erector spinae, a set of muscles in your lower back.
Almost there. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Plank toe taps. Plank toe touches are a splendid choice of AB workout. It helps to activate the primary muscles of the abdomen, which are the external obliques, internal obliques, pyramidalis, rectus abdominis, and transverse abdominis. The aim of plank toe touches is to strengthen the muscles of your torso and obliques.
Halfway through. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Reverse plank. The reverse plank helps to build strength in the posterior, rear, muscles of your lower back, in comparison to more common exercises like the regular plank and push-ups, which target the anterior, front, muscles in your body. Definition and strength in the abdominal muscles, officially named the rectus abdominis, with a heavy emphasis on your abdominal muscles. The reverse plank can help to tone your tummy muscles and over time lose weight here. Three, 2, 1. Rest.